Welcome to yet another amazing video of mine. I am Rufus Godswill, and in this video I want to talk about BTC price action and why I think BTC is preparing its wings to fly to next value point of 130k to 132k for a price of BTC, and we'll be looking at it from a top-down analytical approach, right? So that we can have a better view of what's actually happening in the market. And if we look at it from the monthly chart time frame, obviously BTC has been having series of higher highs and higher lows, and the moving averages has been acting as dynamic support, holding price from falling below. This is now the monthly chart time frame, right? And then we had this correction here, and then we had an impulse move that looks like a higher high, and perhaps it wants to give us more highs, right? And then we have to zoom into the weekly chart time frame to see if it's most likely going to give us more highs, since price is actually sitting now at the equal of the previous high, right? We had this higher high, higher low, and now we have this equal high. So if we zoom into the weekly chart time frame, we'll see that price is actually sitting on this previous high. So price has broken above it and even had a body close above it, and now price is correcting on it. And so if you understand how price move, price don't move on a straight line. Price go with higher highs and higher lows. Even if that move is an impulse move, we will still see series of higher highs and higher lows. Now, since price is sitting on this level here, we'll have to zoom in to see if this correction will actually hold, because if this correction holds, then BTC is most likely going to keep pushing to the upside, since we have the moving averages, which is also acting as a dynamic support on the weekly chart time frame that has been holding price from falling below too, right? So let's zoom into the daily chart time frame and see what's actually happening. Now, when we zoom into the daily chart time frame, we will see that since we had this bottom here, right, this last bottom here, BTC has been pushing steady to the upside, and this moving averages too has been holding it from falling below, right? Now, since the moving averages has been holding it from falling below, and now price is correcting on the previous peak, this support level, which is acting as also the resistance of the previous peak here, right? Now, since this moving averages is holding it from falling below, if we see a change of market structure around this area here, this correction here, right, at this previous resistance level that is now acting as a support level, if we see a break of structure here, we should see price push to the upside of 130 to 132k. And why am I projecting that is because if you check the range from here to here, it will give us 130 to 132k.